All right. So I lost all of my Notion tracker this morning trying to like switch emails or whatever. And in doing so, lost the entire thing. All of my project track, all my task tracking, all of my trackers, my digital codex is gone. All of it. And like that was almost a year's worth of like tracking all my task tracking, like down to what I did with each project, how long I spent on it. Plus, oh my gosh. So I have to start all the way from the beginning. And guys, I'm telling you, I had a CRM, I had trackers for everything. Oh man. It's a bummer. Like a huge hit. But we'll start over. And I was thinking of ways like it needed to be redone. So, it is what it is. So with this year of 2025, we're trying to get more consistent, not only in streaming, but creating actual content that people would like to see. And I'm different in the sense that I'm an entrepreneur builder guy, right? Like I'm not just a tech guy that's just creating a game for myself or my own game studio, or I'm just creating websites or whatever. Like I'm creating full open software and creating managed services, like have all these business ideas and stuff like that have been going on for years before I even started streaming. So so it's time to get organized and start getting more consistent, more targeted, more focused with what we're doing. And if there's ever a time where I can help, like if you look at our Notion tracker and stuff like that, like this is all on the free tier of Notion. So like you don't have to have a paid membership for this because this is a private tracker here. So I did all of my initial layouts today, or my initial reviews. Did a financial review, content performance review, which is low. And then we have overall reviews. Let me make this a full width page, please. What is our content pillars? And then we're going to do 3 calls. All right, those are the 3 content pillars. Oh no, there's more than that. E-tail. Not, it's like retail, but, you know, E. Okay. Development. This content pillar represents all of the software and web development, cloud architecture, and sysadmin. This content pillar represents all the software and web development, cloud architecture, and sysadmin content. Topics include full stack development, cloud architecture. I would say apps in the, or so we'll just say the cloud and its providers. Building systems, maintaining, we'll say building and maintaining systems. Etc. This content pillar represents the business making spirit that Nitro Citrus contains. Content will feature the steps to launching a business from idea to launch. Of building a business from idea to launch. Think Citrus Club. This content pillar represents the fun nature of letting loose and getting intimate with gaming. Intimate with gaming. Okay. Okay. And the dying and the stories that are true. We were a crew. Black joke, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. The boys a time bomb. White coat, black shoes, white hat, Cadillac. The boys a time bomb. Him live it. In this world alone. White coat, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. The boys a time bomb. Black coat, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. The boys a time bomb. I wish y'all could hear it. You made a great band. Black coat, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. The puts a time bomb. White coat, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. Yeah. The puts a time bomb. The puts a time bomb. I'm sorry. His crown, white coat, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. White coat, white shoes, black hat, Cadillac. What's a time bomb? And then something completely different. Sorry. I like music. I work them shoulders now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Being a freaking idiot. Okay. While highlighting aspects of game design and development as I play. My take on creating a retail like business and experience online and in my streams. Okay, this should be here. Thank you. Creating specific channels for each support chat system that allows agents to follow customers on their shopping experience and include one-way streaming to showcase products that they yeah, include one-way showcase for product overviews. Sure. This content pillar represents my journey to becoming more familiar with electronics and creating cool stuff like guitar. Whoa, 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 whoa. I just want to create a list, man. Like guitar pedals, network of things, devices. The sky is the limit. Boom, 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 boom. All right, we went over content pillars. You know what? I'm going to cut that, go back to the trackers, go back to content dashboard, create another page, and call it content tracker. Oh, it. Content scheduler. Properties. Date. We're gonna do a select. So our options were development, entrepreneurialism, gaming, detail, electronics. I think trying to be a small think big box but with better service. Let's content type. So we have long form video, short form video, long form text, short form text. Let's say, well, short form will be social post, article, blog. Shorts, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, or something. That'd be a better communicating of like what it actually is. Let's see here. Hmm. I have created a content scheduler DB in Notion. Beep, beep, beep. What are some topic ideas I can use while building out trivia Royale in my streams? Commands. Let's do song requests. Did I take it out? Oops. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Maybe I don't know how to do this. I need to try this.
Stinkle Winks says, Titty sprinkles.
Okay. Okay. Counter's broken. Continue on. I might have to reset this. Come on. Oh. Whoops. I was about to say, I was like, that's not the question. Might have to restart the PC here. What is the opposite of down? Up. Okay. A lot better. Adding multiplayer. Adding friends. Adding leaderboards. Adding, what was it? In-game economy. Creating the game modes. Designing the UI. Designing feedback. Oh yeah. Gosh. All right. Submit your questions. We'll do development. Development, and this is all development based. Boho 6, the embodiment of Scarlet Devil. It's all trivial Royale right now. But soon enough. Okay. Now we can do something like I'm not meaning to add these. That's a lot of content there so far. Boom, 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 boom. All right. And this is what breaks my heart. So it would be the difference between projects and development dashboard. Projects are overall like roadmaps and like what we plan on building, and this is what's currently being built. Breaks my heart. The divisions. So we have Citrus Works. This is the division that is responsible for taking all of our ideas and bringing them to fruition. Think of it Citrus Works also releases open source software and is the key driver behind Kiwi Engine. Yeah. And then we have the gaming division, which is the Nitro, Citrus. No, I didn't want to bold that. Nitro. While being a I am working on a new name for the gaming studio. Since Nitro Citrus is the parent slash holding company of most of these ventures, or most of these divisions. I think I wanted to call it Barrel. Okay. That is response. This is the vision that builds NOT devices as well as guitar pedals. It will be the owning entity of Wink Guitar once it gets to This is the entrepreneurial division. This division launches web store initiatives to bring in revenue for the development for all other divisions. Apparently my mouse can't click in there. Excuse me. Oh, and I got some thin ribeyes in the crock pot, man. Ugh. Excuse me. Boom, boom, da bo do do, boom, ba bo do boom. We got to remember all the projects that we had going. Good thing I copied and pasted that into a project for ChatGPT, or else I would have lost all of those. I mean, my SWOT analysis was on there. My business plan was on there. We got to redo everything from scratch. But we'll do it on stream. We got time. That just bums me out. And it says I used all my synced databases, which I don't think that's accurate either. But we'll go with it. Games in development. We'll take that. We have name, engine, platforms, mobile, console, PC, VR. Trivia. Royale. status. We need a status. We always need a status. It needs its own database of trivia Royale tasks. Keep that in there. Game controller. Something like that. That'll work. So we now have game development, our open source software, our projects. And reviews. Do another page. We'll call it Citrus Club. Okay. That works for now. I mean, we're kind of in a spot where we're kind of caught up, but I mean, but also not really. About to go pop a bagel in the toaster oven. I'm that far behind. I don't know what else we need to work in. Why is my bitrate so terrible? Which is the upper limit for the current streaming service. Recordings. Why is my... That makes no sense. So my bitrate's capped. Well, that's no good. That's no good. Weird. But we press on. Okay. Citrus Club needs to also be full width. Adding another database. Citrus Club shops. All right. Sugar. Ooh, ooh. All right, so now we need to add the last So we need a date. A select. Took. Let's do person. So if we did I don't want status. I wanted select what I wanted. So we'll say today, and we'll just say nitro citrus. Started new tracker from scratch. Added project dashboard. Added development dashboard. Added better trackers for content performance. Created a financial tracker. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. One, two, three. It should be 3.5. I was about to say, Jesus. Me. What are you talking about? I don't have a chart. What are you talking about? I mean, how can I mean, I can't respond to these. Okay. Whatever, dog. Cool. Restart and upgrade. I want to change the database. Let me edit the view. Okay. Let's go from what we're at, hour 16, and it's 7:30 is when I started. We'll go to 11. Cool. Then I need to make another one for March 17th. Doctor's appointment. I want to say it's the afternoon. Something like that. So that's good. Oh my gosh, I'm losing grip at the tips of my fingers. Oh, time to stretch. I'm stretching. I'm going to do some squats off of camera. Whoa. It's always important to keep up your physical health, especially some of those of us that work at our desk a lot. So we really need to make sure that our physical health is really a priority. Nothing's more important than your physical health. Okay. So let's get back into the tracker. So what we need is to open up the enhancer writer again. All right. Creating a blog with Kiwi Engine. Because that could be a series. And also want to do some like cooking and recipe stuff too. Because I think that would be fun. Because there's a lot of recipes that I would like to share. Like the golden ale, orange marmalade pork chops, homemade hamburger helper. I think that'd be fun too. I mean, I'm trying to think of other e-tail games. We have a whole bunch of content here, so cool, cool. And this content idea is as if everything goes right, that it's basically it's going to come down to marketing and like how you position your future player. Like if you're like, hey, look at my game, look at what I'm doing, look at all the physics and blah 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 I'm doing. You're like, great, that's all great. Most people don't really care. It's just like, how can you turn your game into their experience, essentially. Man, we have a lot of content here. I think that's enough content ideas for now. I guess I need to do more under the Nitro Citrus banner. But freaking Restream is being weird. Like, I don't want to have to use their service or anything like that. But I mean, I guess it could be. I don't know, I'll look into it, but I shouldn't have to. But I want to double stream to those two channels, but I can't. And I don't know why. But I'm gonna step away for a second because I gotta use the bathroom. Yeah, there we go. BRB. All right, me back. Let me pause the bot here. Good idea, Stinkle. And then let me pop up something that has a white screen. Like that. Love it. Is it any better? No. about that. That should make it a little bit better. Right? There's more white on my skin that you can see. Yeah, that looks way better. Right? Infinite stinkles. But okay, that's better. So we can do marker. So I'm about to do the video for why I chose Unity Engine. Okay, so we're back in Trivia Royale. And I want to kind of go over why I chose Unity and stopped using Godot. Well, since I'm kind of new to this whole game development thing, I figured that no matter what engine I picked, it would kind of be like, well, I can just learn it from the ground up. I was wrong. The way Godot's node system works, I do like the nodes. I can get down with the nodes, but like how they word certain things versus how like Unreal or Unity would categorize them, like containers, like a margin container is used for spacing. It's like, man, I'm if you call a container, it should hold something. Like, how do you hold a margin? You know what I mean? So like logically, my brain just is like, it doesn't make sense, doesn't make sense, and it's looking for something else when it's ever trying to do the UI. And in Unity, building a UI is you just right click UI and there's all the stuff for it. You know, it's more intuitive, it's easier to get to. Like scripting languages is like I would choose GD script over, well, I say choose. Like it was easy to get into because like once you learn like small things, like how they like in GD script, right? You declare variables like let's just do like PHP where it's dollar sign that, and then with Unity it's C sharp. So I mean it's little syntax differences that don't really make or break an engine for me. But Unity also has the features already built in that I kind of wanted to have for this mobile game. I foresee it having uh, multiplayer leaderboards, point systems and stuff like that. So that's already built in with Unity. So it was just a smarter choice just to go ahead and learn Unity, get Unity under the belt, and it has more features that I need. And I don't know how well Godot is with mobile gaming either. So I would be getting into murky waters there. So I wanted something that was, tested and true, so to speak. So that's why I chose Unity Engine. Just please let me know in the comments below that if whether or not of your experiences with Godot, whether or not if it was good with mobile, web, so to speak, just let me know down below. Even link your projects in your comments. I would love to see your games. Um, yeah, that's one content piece in progress. I just saw it. Ah, I just saw it. I swear. There it is. In progress. Okay. I can always record a short somehow. I wonder if there's a tool for that. Is there a tool for that? TikTok. Clip making tools. They mentioned Opus. Let's try this out, shall we? Let's do this. Copy. Pause. I don't want to hear you. Give me more clips. Give me more clips. Yes. Come on, Opus. Don't be a dopus. Your free trial has started. 90 free credits for a week. Cool. Let's do it. I guess it's academic. Others. Knowledge sharing. We'll do it like that. I'm a novice. Actually, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. 12 minutes. Okay. We can check back later. Okay. Did we just go back to creating nectarine for a little bit? Or we can do designing the UI. I still need to do that. So we'll just continue with that. Okay, so now let's do that. Let's getting trivia Royale button. Okay, so now we need to get these buttons to work. They do randomly put the questions to the buttons, which is good. But now we need to link functionality to the buttons. So, connecting to the event to our function in our script. So, step 1. Let's pull my trainer out. So this is another way I use AI. I kind of see if it knows what it's doing. So instead of saying, "Hey, give me the code," or "make this for me," I'd be like, "Yeah, let's do this, but before you just spit out all this stuff for me to copy and paste, how about you teach me to do it at the same time? Because I have some text over here on my laptop that I can read at the same time off to the side. So let's see what it says. It says Unity UI buttons allow us to detect when a player clicks them, right? Just like a web button. You just do an on-click event. Easy. Connecting the event to a function in our script and then passing the button's text to compare it with the correct answer. Okay. So it says this right here. New features in the quiz logic code. Let's see what it has here. And Pro and using Unity engine.ui. Got that one, got that one, that one, that one. I don't know why visual scripting's in there, but we're just going to keep it in there. All right, and then private string correct answer. Stores correct answer. So that way, whenever my future self comes and look at this code, I'm like, why do I have 2 right answers, man? Delete. All right. So this basically displays question. And this is us adding the answers. And then we shuffle the answers in a random order. And then we assign it to those buttons. So far. Now, in that for loop, looks like we need to, nope, didn't mean to do that. Check mark. Add click event dynamically. So we have another index. Yep. It says answer buttons. At whatever index, get component in parent, which would be the button. Then on click, add listener. Okay. That's almost like web development there. That's web development-esque there. Then they also have anonymous functions. Check answer all answers. To buckle my shoe. That might look weird. But what's the best place? That's, to me, that's the best place to do it. And then outside of that for loop, go and start, right? The outside of start. Start. No, it's outside of start. right? Void check answer string is selected answer. If selected answer is equal to correct answer, boom, feedback dot text dot, oh, sorry, feedback text dot text equals, we'll just say bingo, and then feedback text dot color equals color dot green. Okay, simple enough. Else they like that. Feedback text dot text equals no. Then feedback text dot color equals color dot red. I'm assuming. Yep. That's what it was. So we save. Pull this up, let it compile. Chamon, chamon. Okay, let's go back to question manager. Question manager. Select, blah, 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 drag and drop the answer button, text mesh into the array. I did that. Create a feedback text. Go to game object UI text mesh pro. Huh? Go to game object. Oh, UI text mesh. Feedback text. What? Why isn't it in there? What did I do wrong? Maybe that's it. I got wrong answers, answer buttons. So why isn't that doing its thing, man? Do your thing, man. I don't. Did we store the correct answer? think that should be how it works. I think. Why aren't you showing up? Let's try that again. Let's just remove the component. Quiz logic. See, though. Where's my. Where's my. I did that. Feedback text. Text Mesh Pro U GUI. Serialize field. I did that. So why isn't it showing up? Save, 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 save. There's no extra components added to this either, so why oh why? The feedback text field isn't showing up in the editor. What gives? Because I don't get it. Okay, but that still doesn't fix my issue, so to speak. I mean, how'd that affect the field? I mean, but who am I? Who am I? Did that. How you check if it's visible and enabled? I did that. Sorry, removed it. For some reason, that fixed it. Okay. All right, then let's open these buttons back up. Question manager. Wrong answers. We fill them with 3. Middle. Forward. Right. Four of these. Okay. Question text. Question object. I genuinely forgot how that worked. Frick. Let's just go ahead and put it here. No. We'll just do it like this. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Save. Play. There's no compiler errors, so that's good. What is the opposite of down? Up. Up. That didn't work. Let's open up Quiz Logic one more time. Feedback text. Should have nothing in there. So let's go ahead and change that. Nothing. The on click seems to not add the listener properly. We'll say the code seems to not add the listener properly. Let's go back. Because we're in the for loop, answer buttons, I get component and parent, which is the button. On click, add listener, check answer, all answers, index. Check answer is void, string selected answer, if selected answer is equal to correct answer. Feedback. Okay, that seems fine. I feel like I should bring that up. Enter, save maybe. Let's just try it anyway. That's not right. Okay. So let's fix it, right? It says string answer choice equals all answers I. Answer choice Let's try that. That could work. Nina, Nina. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see if that worked. Did I miss? Oops. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Come on, Unity, please. Whatever. Stop scratching, baby girl. Stop scratchy. I'm still not adding the event listener. Since I can't get it to work properly. I mean, jeez. What's that a boot? I don't get it. Let's see what it says. Your code is almost correct, but the event listener might not still work due to how you're assigning the listener. Blah, blah, blah. Well, that's how you did it. You doofus. I did that. Did that. That. Get the actual button component instead of the text message UI. That's what I did. I mean, that's what you said. So we're getting a button, right? Then button equals answer buttons I, which is the index dot get component and parent button. Right. And then what we do there is get button component What does it say here? Remove any existing listeners before adding a new one. Button on click. Remove all listeners. Button on click. Add listener. Anonymous function. Check answer. Answer choice. And then we take it out. This out. And that supposedly should fix our issue. Supposedly. We don't know. Compiling. So there's no errors. Still not adding the event listener, man. Let's see if, let's just see. The only difference would be that Unity put the check answer code at the bottom, and or if I look at it more closely, it could still be in the start function. But again, I'm not 100% sure. We will see. Yeah, even it. Your code still. Oh, whoop. This code still does not assign the on-click listener properly. I'll be the look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I was about to say. I guess you weren't done. Copy. I'm a noob when it comes to this stuff, guys. Remember. Another button. Okay. Oh, I see. This could work. No, it doesn't work. What the deuce? What is selected answer though? I think the check answer function isn't coded properly. It seems as if selected answer isn't really initiated by anything. Aha! I beat you, ChatGPT. I can read code. Let's see how it fixed it. We shall see. Cannot convert string to Unity UI button. Okay, that's weird. Copy. We have that error, ChatGPT. Jeez. Your answer button already stores components, however, the button should be assigned to the button component. Yeah, well, this is the code you wrote. See if you fix your own code. So, fun fact about me as we wait for this to compile again, even though it's done. Whenever we're done here, I'll rewrite that quiz logic script like I got punished in school, like writing sentences. I'll go line by line in another window and just keep writing it until I, get the things down that it's telling me what to do. So I'm trying to not be a copy paster from AI kind of thing. I want to learn how to do these things to where I'm not resilient on AI. You know what I mean? Just another person to bounce ideas off of. Let's see if this works. No, please. You guaranteed that that was a fully functioning set of code. What? How did I get old code in there? Did it not load correctly? Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. I don't know. I just want this trivia game to work, man. Or just the base question. So I can eat my bagel. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? Question. Answer. 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 Let's try it one more time. I know it's not going to work, but we'll try. Boo, 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 boo. Nope. Stop playing the game, man. Let's just save. Exit. Start from anew. and just reload Unity and see if that kind of fixes the issue. I'm restarting Unity because it is still not working. That's as simple as I can put it. You know? I'm doing all of that, okay? We're going to open her back up. And while we do that, mm, we can work a little bit more on the tracker, I guess. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. Let's see here. Citrus Club. Here we go. Fake band tees. Coffee. Supplements. Home decor. Yes, would that be part of Citrus Works? Oh. Kiwi engine. And then Kiwi Press, Kiwi Pie. No, let's do another. We need to do a different citrusy thing for themes and plugins. Hmm. Lemonade, tangerine, Atsuma. Mm, orange. Hmm. Vitamin. The new theme app and plugin. Themes and extensions. That's what we're going to call it. Themes and extension. And then divisions are up here. Will not be included in Citrus Club, but its own separate property. Go ahead and add that to the dictionary. Divisions. Add to dictionary. Cool. And we can go to development dashboard. Man, having that thing just completely be having to do this from scratch again is taking a lot of time. Okay, what we troubleshot quiz logic script for day. Trivia Royale. Brainstorm content ideas. Yeah. Are we open yet? Yes, we are. Simulator. Thank you. Let's see if it recompiled any better or if it just stayed the same. I mean, it still didn't assign correctly anyway. Do we need to look at the question object? Oh, that's why. Try it one more time. I bet it still didn't add the event listeners. Okay, there's the right answer. But it did not. Our buttons are still not clickable. What the deuce? All the buttons are there. Okay. I know it's happening right here. It's still not. It's just still not doing it. Adding debug log statements. I can type that. I can type that. Let's put this off to the side first. I can type that. Okay, and that would be where? At the top of check answer. Debug.log selected answer is plus selected answer debug.log correct answer is correct answer. Maybe that'll do something, or at least point me in the direction of what's going wrong. I would love to know. And this is like baby steps into like game development right now. So I I know nothing. So we'll see. Let's play it. Oh no. No, I can still click console. Can't I? Oh. It's not even logging to the console. Try this again. Project. Uh, Quiz manager. Question object. Question object. Uh, question tag. Also for text button 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 open 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 open. context. Everything's filled out. Save. Console. Play. The bug log's not even working. Nothing is showing in the console. I have already started. I've already restarted Unity. Unity. I need to grab something to drink. Okay, if you say so. It's adding a whole bunch of debug logs to the code. And while that compiles, I'm going to grab a Diet Coke. Oh, look at that. A whole bunch of errors. The name debug does not exist in the current context. The name answer button does not exist in the current context. Like, wow, dude. Give me full code, please. Because that was terrible, dude. We'll see. Because I really think if I can get these game modes to work, I can... Maybe I need to sit through some Unity classes or something like that. Maybe whenever we get done with lunch, I'll just come back and sit through some Unity courses or just do some learning off to the side or something. I don't know. Verify my event system. Okay, can do. I don't see an event system. Is that the problem? Is that the problem? I didn't have an event system this entire time? This could be the issue. Could it be that simple? Hey! Woo! I figured it out. Awesome. Replay. And I'm going to select the wrong answer. Boom. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. We're going to go through the code after I use the bathroom, and we're going to rewrite it so I know what's going on and, do some notes with it. And I'll do some notes with Notion and stuff like that. Maybe even Obsidian or something. But man, woo! We did it. So we figured it out. We fixed that bug. I'm gonna go take an extended lunch. It'll be over an hour or so. So I'm not gonna keep the stream going. Um, but what we have accomplished is we figured out some of the UI issues. We troubleshot with GPT the event listeners and the logic of putting the right answer with the wrong answers and everything like that. We did that yesterday, but we still had to fine tune the script today. So we're at a good spot. So in the next stream, we're actually going to be working on Nectarine and getting the starts and juice together so we can work on the MVP of getting a blog slash CMS going. So that'll be the MVP for both Nectarine and Juice as alphas. I'm really excited for that. I'm trying to get some. I'm going to start building up some marketing material and videos and content and stuff like that. So we're going to be really documentation and administration stuff heavy. We're still going to be coding a lot, but this next coming up week will be a learning experience here for sure because I will be requesting reduced time at my current job while also navigating the gig economy like with DoorDash and Amazon Flex and stuff like that to counteract what I lost there. So it's just more so new space, new territory as we move forward. So it's just we're learning, we're growing. So it's just anxiety and excitement all at the same time because it's a great life change. We're going to be doing some great stuff. On top of that, I'm also going to start my first WoW character tonight. So be in tune for that. So we'll see you here in a little bit. I'm going to get something to eat and we'll be right back at it. Peace.